Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character shui, step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 水 water, liquid, and Chinese surname Shui. For example, 水稻 rice, 水稻 rice. Rice yields will be higher than last year. 水稻产量将高于去年。Rice yields will be higher than last year. 水稻产量将高于去年 will be 高于 higher 去年产量将高于去年。Rice yields will be higher than last year. 水稻产量将高于去年。水 in cursive. 水 water, liquid. Surname 水 水稻 rice. Rice yields will be higher than last year. 水稻产量将高于去年。水 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 水. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.